All right, this is a Techsouth workstation. This is how your system's going to come into you. Basically, what you got is you got a crate, and everything's all in one. You can use it as it sits. Okay, so you can, if you like, you can use it on the ground, or the casters come on top. You can take the casters off, lay them on the floor, and actually put the crate in the caster so you can roll it around the job site if you like. So first, when you receive it, you're going to take the top casters off. You're going to have these knobs here. There's actually 4 of them. They screw down into nice little holes for you. You're going to slide out your workbench right there. So now you got a workbench on the right and you got a workbench on the left you can work off of. What I'm going to do now is we're just going to take this one side off so we can show you kind of how this thing looks and other things in the inside of this guy. So you got your machine with your cooler in there. You got your cables back there. You got a power strip here so you can run facing tools or other things that you need to plug in. This thing is on a hydraulic jack, so you got to bleed it, and now you're going to crank this thing up. Now when you crank it up, you're going to be looking in the front here, and you're going to, it's coming, once he gets it up here, you're going to put the water cooler sight lens right there. And so that's how high you're going to crank it up so you can make sure your water is flowing and you can actually see it. Now then you're going to open your lid up basically on your unit, and you're going to start working there so you can actually work right off the bench. Also, there's a head holder in there. Grab that head holder, please. The head holder hooks up to this screw here. You can put it on that back screw, and then on the other side of the table, there's 2 screws there that you can put the head holder in if you like. So this is how it's going to come. This is how you can work right off of it. Don't need to have a table card or anything. Thank you.